Boo! Ha ha ha. Hey everybody, how are ya? Welcome back to Serene Bookworks. I know that I think it was my last video was an autumn journal, and now here is a Halloween journal, and you guys are probably going, wow, she does not know where the seasons stop and start. Here in the US it's spring. But it's half Halloween. And over on Dolly's Facebook group, it's called Alternative Junk Journals. Number one, you should join because everybody over there is just really awesome. But number two, there's a lot of cool journals that you get to see. And number three, it is half Halloween, so Dolly graciously has organized a swap for half Halloween. I'm still learning how to talk. So this is my little entry for half Halloween, and what I did was I just pulled out my huge Halloween tote, and whatever I grabbed, that's kind of what went in here, you know. So this would be, I would say, more of a traditional Halloween type journal. And we just have a seam binding closure. This is a file folder, opened up, folded up, and made into the cover. The guideline said soft cover. So, but I wanted to use this cool material, so I kind of quilted it onto this file folder. And see, I folded it up. There's the pocket. And it was a lot of fun. I think I'll do some more like that. And here's just some fun little ephemera pieces that are in here. I stamped some images onto some coffee dyed muslin. And like I say, I just kind of went through, and whatever I grabbed, that's what went in here. So here's a first page, and I poked holes, put in some grommets, and these are just tied onto here, which I thought was really fun, and it gives them some movement. And then we have just some cards. I actually got these from Dolly a while ago. There's a Tim Holtz card here. Some spooky paper. I love that. Some washi, and I use, you know me, I use all the scraps, so. And that one says skeleton in the cupboard. And this is some, I think it was like a scarf or something, and I just cut it and made this raggedy looking trim here. I really like that. These are some printables. This is from, it's called Witch Hazel. I'll have to find out what it's from. And then these are Tsunami Rose. And I had extras printed, so I'm like, hey, perfect. Might as well use them up, right? That's Martha Stewart paper. Some fun trim. There's some more Tim Holtz people. I love how this coffee dyed, and actually I didn't want to use the actual page, so I put it in my printer and I reprinted it. So that's kind of a fun idea because now I don't have to copy coffee dye. And these are Tsunami Rose printables that I printed tiny so that they could be a little tuck spot there, or a little journal card. Here's a dictionary page that says Halloween. This was a really cool, I want to say Viv and Elle, or Elle and Viv, is the scrapbook company. And this obviously was a whole page, but I just cut out the moon. I thought that was really pretty. There's another little tiny writing there. Coffins, caskets, and robes. And that again is Tsunami Rose. And just tied a little spider web there. This I want to say is from Dolly as well, the little cutout here. That was just in my stash. It's super cute. Some Martha Stewart paper. Magical Moonshine. I thought that was funny. Worst thing in the world. Worst nightmare right there. Okay. And I tried to put a little something something on every page. And so that's what that's all about. This is another copy of some coffee dyed paper. Not a bad idea, I have to say. So here is the moon. This is that Elle and Viv paper. And I really liked it. I didn't want to cut all of it out. And so I just did this. And we got a little clip le paper on there. This is a fun little holographic card. This is a variety of stuff. There's some tickets from Jen. This is a cupcake holder from Shayna. And I just kind of collaged a whole bunch of stuff on there to make a page decor there. And that is one signature. And I'm sorry I keep hitting the camera. I'm in a different spot today. And here is the second one. It's in there. There we go. And like I say, just used up some scraps and things like that. The ghost. She always reminds me of Bewitched. Remember Samantha? Or am I showing how old I am now? Blood of Bat. Hauntings. Some washi. I had this in my stash 2 years ago, I want to say. I made a haunted house book. That was one of the printouts that I made that I didn't end up using. So I tucked that in here. And here's some fun little things here. Did some embossing. And that is from scrapbook.com, and it is the Halloween shade of embossing powder. Worst nightmare again. This paper is 7 Gypsies, I want to say. And I cut out some little pieces from some scrap that I had to make this little collage here. Oops. Ghosts, goblins, and ghouls, beware. Some more of that scarf. There's some more just little collaging stuff. I just had scraps, pieces. This is another. Oh, this is from Jen. She gave me this beautiful set of papers not too long ago, and I'm hoarding them, but I still wanted to use them, so I took a copy. And it's not as pretty as the original, but it's pretty close. And oh, I am so sorry. Like I say, I'm in the wrong spot here. This could be a tuck here. There's some cool buyouts. Toil and Trouble. Happy Halloween. There's just some scrap paper, and I just glued a little piece of ephemera on there. And, oh, that little witch is embossed. This craft paper stuff is really cool. I like it. There's one of those Martha Stewart, like holographic, what do you call it? Stickers. And there's some more of that. It's black-ish, and for some reason it didn't stick super well, but I think it turned out really nice anyway. I like it. Some more stickers. If the broom fits. And here's a little fun scrappy tag as well. And that's the end of the second signature. And there's another little pocket back here with a embossed gross spider and some more muslin stamped pieces there for the recipient. And I want to say that there's still time for this. I am not sure, but head over to Alternative Junk Journals on Facebook and check it out because it's awesome. There's some wonderful people over there. There's some great artists in there. All of the, oh, just thumbing through the pictures is an amazing experience. So I hope I have done well for whoever my partner is. We're going to be picking partners soon, Dolly is. So, all right, everybody, head on over there. I'll put all the pertinent links down below. And you guys, I'll have a great week. Bye.